Respected seniors and colleagues, I am Dr. Sobha Shrestha, first year fellow pediatric cardiology from Max Hospital. Today I am going to present a rare complication, that is formation of thrombus after surgical AST closure, and that thrombus was removed by cardiac catheterization. Introduction. Isolated AST occurs 3 to 5% of all congenital heart disease. The management of AST is medical, non-surgical, or the surgical closure. The complications are extremely rare. Large RA thrombus, they are infrequent rare complication following surgical closure of AST. Case summary. My patient, 17 years male from India, came with the chief complaint of breathlessness on exertion for 2.5 years. He was diagnosed with ostium secundum AST with dilated RA-RB with deficient IVC rim and was planned for surgical closure of AST. All pre-op investigations, including coagulation and hematological profile, are within normal limits. On surgical intervention, AST was closed with a Dacron patch with continuous 5-0-proline and RA was closed with 5-0-proline continuous suture. Intraoperative and the post-operative period are uneventful. He was extubated within 24 hours of operative day and repeat sepsis screening was negative. He was discharged on 7th post-operative day with oral antibiotics with supportive management. On routine follow-up after 6 months, echocardiography was done which showed large RA thrombus at atrial septum. Immediately we performed TEE, which showed thrombus measuring of 17 into 12 millimeter attached to atrial septum. This is the big thrombus in the right atrium. The thrombus is big, movable, and it looks like a ball in shape. On further management, we informed the CTVS team and planned for bypass surgery, but the patient denied for surgery and we proceed for removal of RA thrombus by cardiac catheterization. Patient was shifted to cath lab. Right femoral vein SS was done. Femoral right atrium angiography was done. This is the right atrial angiography, which showed the big thrombus in the RA. This is the thrombus. Five French MP catheter was taken over 035 trauma wire and parked in the SVC. Over 035 trauma wire, 10 French Moulin sheet was taken. Through the Moulin sheet, this is the loop basket. Through the Moulin sheet, the loop basket was taken across on reaching near the thrombus. And the clot was cut hold in the basket under TEE guidance. Basket was taken inside the sheet and clot was taken out from the sheet. This is the demonstration of the clot which was cut hold in the basket. We did systemic venous angiography to look for thrombus up to the neck veins. We did pulmonary artery angiography, which showed good flow in the branch PAs and no major thrombus. Post-CAT procedure was uneventful. He was hemodynamically stable with normal vitals. Heparin infusion was started and was switched over oral acetone and discharged after 24 hours of procedure with continued acetone and ecosprin and advised to follow up with coagulation profile. This is the recent follow-up echocardiography which showed no thrombus in the RA. On discussion, rarely thrombus formation occurs following surgical closure of AST, that is less than 2%. It is controversial to put such patients on aspirin or even anticoagulant following surgery, like in the catheter-based device closure, as we give anticoagulants in device closure up to 6 months. The formation of thrombus in our case is due to the foreign object. the suture material, that it may create a strongly prothrombotic environment within this chamber. In our hospital also, we don't use anticoagulants or aspirin for after surgical closure of AST. This is the first case that the thrombus formation in our hospital. So we think to report and discuss in this big platform. In my research, I did find few case reports on formation of thrombus after Dacron patch surgical closure, which was removed by bypass surgery. But I didn't find any case report regarding thrombus that was removed by cardiac catheterization. Thank you for your patience.